So this is basically we are fitting into Kia Sonet Woodman Xtreme 3.0 2 GB RAM 32 GB storage. So this is the main socket of Kia Sonet, as you can see, and we are fitting our socket. So many showroom guys may misguide you that there is a wire cutting in aftermarket system and all, but Woodman, we are providing socket to socket fitting. You can see we have not tampered any wire or nothing. Everything goes inside socket to socket, no wire tampering, nothing. So there is no issue on your car warranty even if your car is new. Now we are fitting this frame. This is Kia Sonet piano finish frame, which comes along with the Android music system of Woodman. So this also, you can see that everything is there. There are locks and everything which will go inside as it is. And this is the radio antenna, GPS antenna. So this is the GPS antenna. So here in everything you can see there is no wire cutting, no wire tampering. Everything is socket to socket, so that there is no warranty issue in your new car. So you can go विदाउट एनी हेजिटेशन एंड आप जो है आफ्टर मार्केट सिस्टम लगा सकते हैं. सब कुछ सॉकेट टू सॉकेट फिटिंग है. ये किस चीज़ का? ये FM एंटीना. दिस इज़ FM एंटीना. सो में कपलर लगा दिया. दिस इज़ कार एंटीना एंड वी हैव यूज्ड आवर कपलर. सो हेयर ऑल्सो देयर इज़ नो वायर कटिंग एज यू कैन सी. So hello guys, we have installed Woodman Xtreme 3.0 2 GB RAM 32 GB storage with octa-core processor and inbuilt 4G SIM slot in Kia Sonet. So as you can see, there is no gaps in the fitting. Everything is properly and neatly done, and this is piano finish frame, and this is wireless Android Auto. As you can see, we are using no wire, and this wireless Android Auto is working fine. So whatever apps are there in your phone, like your maps, Spotify, YouTube Music, message, calling, everything can be done. And even you can play the music from Spotify here, as I have done this. So this supports wireless Android Auto, and even you can give voice commands, and this supports that also. So whatever is your inbuilt app, and if any call or message comes, you can connect from here also. And if, as you can see, I will show you the steering buttons also. So steering buttons are working quite fine, so there is no issue. Even we can change the track also, so track will change. So these are basic functions that this system will support, and you can see the sound output also is very good. We have not changed any speakers. We are using same Kia Sonet speakers, so we have not changed any speakers, and sound is very good. Sound output has enhanced drastically. So now I will show you the other functions. Let's go to the home screen. So this you can see, this is Woodman home screen, where you can set your car logo as per your car's preference. This options comes in settings. So here I have set the Kia, and you can edit the theme also as per your choice. So everything is customizable, from colors to everything. Even it supports day and night mode. So so that if in day you can use a different theme, and night you can use a different theme. So for that you need to open this theme editor options, advanced settings for day and night. This you need to on, and once you on this, so you can set the day and night theme also. As you can see here, you can see the option of day and night. So this option is only provided in Woodman, and no other music system will have this. So like in day, I am choosing a very light theme. So now if I change the settings, like night, I have keep the screen very dull, so that it will not distract me, and in day I have keep the screen bright. So this option will automatically happen if you select on auto. So whenever you open, the night will happen, so it will automatically change the home screen. So this option only comes in Woodman UI. You will not find this option in any other car. And other than this, you can play radio also. There is no issue. Radio works fine, and navigation also working fine, Google Maps. And most of the people ask that does this system lag? So this system is lag free, because it is octa-core processor with 1.6 GHz, and RAM is also DDR4, so there is no lag in system. And this is not lagging. This is basically because we are making the video, so internet is not connected yet, so that's why it is not opening. So once you connect to the internet, it will work fine. There is no lag in Android. So now we have connected to Wi-Fi, and now we will search select city walk in this, and you can see that there is no lag in the maps load very fast and works very fast. And this system also supports 4G SIM slot, so even if you have 4G SIM, net will work more fast. Currently we have connected to Wi-Fi, and this supports 2.5 GHz Wi-Fi as well as 5 GHz of Wi-Fi. So if you connected to Wi-Fi also, then both options are available, and you can also use 4G SIM slot. I will show you where the 4G SIM slot will come. So this is our block box, and here you can see there is a 4G SIM slot and USB cable, and another USB is there in the block box, and this is the 4G SIM. So many customers ask, sir, can we change the SIM slot? Yes, you can change the SIM slot as in when you basically need it, and you can put this into the block box when it is not required. So you can, no spaces basically gets occupied, so this goes behind, and there is no space occupied, and you can close this. So this is basically navigation. So navigation, as you can see, there is no lag in the navigation. Then you can come to the home screen, and I will show you other options. So now I will show you the most common app used by our customers, which is YouTube. So this is basically 1280 into 720p system with QLED, so display quality is also very good. You can play we are playing this for 4K video in this, and you can set the quality as per your internet connection. So 1080 60 fp is also supporting, and you can play full screen. So as per your internet speed you can choose, and clarity is also very good because we have connected to a Wi-Fi, so the range is low, so that's why video is taking time to load. But as per your internet connection, you can select the video, and clarity you can see, and from any angle if you see, the clarity remains same, clarity will not change. So this is IPS QLED display. From back behind also, if you see, clarity has no issues. So you can use YouTube while driving also, there is no issues in that, but we do not endorse that. So as per your safety you can select. And in apps, there we have Play Store also. So in Play Store you can visit and download any app as per your choice. You can use Amazon Prime, Z5, Spotify, which boot. All the apps are can be downloaded from here, as you can see. So all the options are there. If you want to install, you can install in your car. So all the common apps which we use in on daily basis, so this can be used. Z5, MX player, everything it supports. Even VLC player you can download if you want to download it. So now I will show you the sound quality of this system. So sound, we are using Kia Sonet existing speakers, so you can adjust the sound as per your preference. You can play songs from YouTube also, you can play songs from pen drive also, you can play songs from YouTube, Bluetooth also, as per your preference. So in DSP you can do the settings, all the settings are provided. As per your choice you can set whichever sound you like, so you can set the music as per your so all the options are there in DSP. Bass enhancement is also there, sound filter is also there, so all the settings are there. So as per your choice you can see. And bass, suddenly the bass has come into my speakers. In existing Kia Sonet audio system there was no bass in my speakers, but when I changed the system to this Woodman Xtreme 3.0, so suddenly the bass has come to my existing speakers. I have not changed any speakers yet. So the sound output is very good in this system. And as I told you, steering buttons are working fine, no issues are there. And you can connect your mobile Bluetooth, so that if any call come during the basically driving, so you can receive the call also and can cut also, and you can play music also. There is split screen option also, which is very useful while driving the car. So if you want to like split screen YouTube, and you want to use maps, so both the options can be connected in the split screen. So this is your choice, whatever app you want to use. Like I have split screen this Play Store and YouTube. So as per your choice, even if you want to split screen with map or anything, so split screen functions support. and if you want to close it, just drag it and you can use it. So Woodman system also supports Google Voice, so you just need to tap in here and you can say navigate me to select city walk. So you can see we are using inbuilt mic only. I have not installed external mic.
Navigating to select
So
city walk
still
mall.
the mic reception is very good and it will navigate me. So automatically navigation will start and I no need to do anything. So navigation will start automatically. So while driving, this voice command feature is very useful, and as per your internet connection the maps will load. There is no issue in the system processing. System is very fast. This is octa, so as per your maps speed or the internet speed, the maps
Head northwest on Girajadevi Marg.
I have not touched anything. Just with the voice command the maps is automatically started. So similarly, if you want to use voice commands, you
This
can
route
use it.
avoids congestion on
In
GT.
the whole video you can see the performance of this system is very fast. This is 2 GB DDR4 RAM and 1.6 GHz octa-core processor. So speed is very fast and you can see even touch response is very fast, and there are several options that you can do. So touch, there is no lag in the touch. Touch is very responsive and very fast, and everything as per your preference. You can set the apps. This is the whole UI is customized, and there are many videos on YouTube of Woodman UI, so you can check the apps as per your preference. You can customize even the name if you want to change this icon name also. So name you can also change as per your preference. By default these comes radio, navigation, music, phone, but if you want to change it you can change that also. So all the options are available in this Woodman UI, and while traveling it is very easy because you just need to tap in without going to the apps. You just need to tap in. If I want to play navigation, just need to tap on navigation and navigation will open. So this is very responsive and very fast. I no need to go to the apps and doing all these kinds of things again and again.